You could say that driving a Ferrari convertible is a life-changing experience. This Ferrari Portofino replaces the Ferrari California, which wasn't exactly life-changing. The Ferrari Portofino is the entry-level Ferrari, but it offers a whole lot more. You'll notice the Ferrari Portofino is distinctly Ferrari, especially in this red and tan combination. It's elegant, it's aggressive, it's functional. Everything on the outside of this vehicle serves a purpose, and it's beautiful. So the Portofino is surprisingly spacious. For a grand touring car though, it's just right. Oh, and it seats 2 more people. Very, very small people. It's an entry-level Ferrari, but you still get the cool steering wheel. It's got push-button start, RPM LEDs, paddle shift, carbon fiber, mode select. It's just really cool. So one of the most amazing things about the Portofino, believe it or not, it's the transmission. It's a dual clutch, which means it shifts super fast. It's very smooth. It's like a musical instrument. When you come to LA and you want to have a memorable experience, try out the Portofino. If you have the means, I highly recommend it.